Well, hello. Part of my Coding for Everyone assignment, which is part of EDT 661 offered through Marian University, was to remix one of my classmates' Google CS First projects that they had created within Scratch. One of the projects I chose to remix was Stephanie Nagin's dialogue on Symbiosis. I loved the interaction between this tick character and the monkey and the great punchline at the end. And as I was working on the remix and trying to figure out what to do with it, both of my children came in the room and said, "Dad, what are you doing? Looks like fun." And I said, "I'm doing homework." And I said, "You're doing homework? That's too fun to be homework. Can we help?" And I said, "Sure. How do you think you can help?" And they decided they wanted to become the voices of the characters. And I said, "What a great way to differentiate." That's terrific because not only do you then get the visual learner, you get the auditory learner as well. So they provided the voices for this remix. Let me show it to you, and then we'll show you how it works.
I'm really hungry. I wonder what they're going to eat. Oh, hello. I'm a warm-blooded monkey. I wonder what you are. Warm-blooded, you say? Want to grab a bite to eat? I never seen the man since realized I'm a tick. Nah, I'm good. I think this relationship may become parasitic.
I'm a little biased, but I think that was pretty good. At any rate, Stephanie's original mix had the monkey over here in the tree, and the tick kind of stayed stationary, and she had the cartoon bubbles popping up to give the text. So all we really did was add the audio and make some of the movement change a bit. Let's show you how. So we discovered that we could actually record the sounds very easily just by going to the sounds for each sprite and clicking on the microphone. So you see the 3 recordings here for the ladybug, which is actually a tick, and you can see that the monkey has 3 recordings as well. And then once we had those recordings, we were able to put them in by using the play sound command and choosing which recording we were going to use. As you can see, I've got recording 1, 2, and 3 for the dialogue. We put it underneath the text. We figured out that was the best way to do it because otherwise the recording would play and then the text would come up. So it was best to put that underneath. We did have to play around a little bit, I believe, with the wait times so that the syncing of the motion and the characters worked properly, and the audio mixed in there the right way, but it wasn't too bad at all. And then we, of course, added in the violin danger sound, which I got, I believe, from freesound.org or internetarchive.org. I've given attribution to both the sound effects that we found within my description. Under the monkey, you see that I've added in that rim shot, which is the punchline sound effect at the end. To add in the movement, we used the glide function. I made sure that the tick or ladybug started at x negative 127, y negative 55, and after the warm-blooded comment, it glides to x negative 16, y negative 50. One additional thing that we did with the ladybug sprite is we changed the costume to ladybug 2A to give it a reaction to the monkey saying that the relationship has become parasitic. As you can see, there are 2 costumes within the sprite, and this kind of had the look of shock, so we thought that worked pretty well. For the monkey, originally, like I said, Stephanie had it over here in this bush, and my daughter decided it would probably be better if it was up in the tree. So we put the go to X 74, Y 180 there. It glides down to 86, negative 40, and then after delivering the punchline, scoots off down to the right-hand side, gliding negative 1 second to X 240, negative 180. So that is our remix. Anytime I have the opportunity to work with my children on something related to education and technology, I'm excited to be able to do so. So thank you, Stephanie, for creating this great project. Gave me an opportunity to spend some quality time with my kids and explore Google CS First and Scratch just a little more. Hopefully it encourages anybody who views this video to do the same. Thanks for watching.